Got a first aid kit here. This is from Rhino Rescue. This seems to be really popular on YouTube at the moment. I figured I'd give it a go. As always, make sure you have first aid training and know what you're doing. Don't use anything you're not trained to use. So to start off, nice magnetic little lid there. Has a card to put your information on there. Zip all the way around. There you go. So starting from this side, this is, like I said, this is brand new. You got a bandage there, whistle, some scissors, a marker there. On the back of them, this pouch here, you have these iodine Q-tips. So you snap here and then the iodine fills up in a swab and you can clean your cuts. It has these little pouches which I thought were quite smart. So you put your tablets in there. Say if you want paracetamol, ibuprofen, or your own personal medication, you can put it in here and then write it down. It has some alcohol pads. And this one, the granules. But make sure you know how to use them. Don't just go last minute trying to do something you're not trained to do. I'll put that in a minute. Yeah. So like I said, you got a bandage there. Here you have some eye wash, and then over here you got some duct tape. I like the mesh, and I also like the coloring, because you're not gonna really miss that one, are you? So over here you just got some gloves. Back behind it you have a compressed gauze. Okay. You have a typical space blanket. And then this pouch back here, you have your plasters of different sizes. So as a basic first aid kit, I think this is pretty good. There's some instructions in here, first aid manual. I've been through them already. They had one in here that was funny. I thought like loss of limb. But yeah. So I always keep that in my thing. The pouch itself is Cordura. There you are. Yeah, so pretty much a basic first aid kit. I'm going to test this out in the woods tomorrow. Hopefully I don't have to use it, but I'm always cutting myself, so that's probably a given. But I think it's well thought out. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. On the back, there's no molly. There's just this little clip here. You got to point that out. Thanks, guys. Catch you next video.